creatures. A Lift the Flap book. Peppa and George are having a sleepover at Granny and Grandpa Pig's house. Before bedtime, they help Grandpa Pig collect slugs and snails from his garden so they won't eat his vegetables.
The best time to find them is at night,
explains Grandpa Pig. Aha! 2 little snails and a slug.
Some animals are like us. They are awake in the daytime and sleep at night,
explains Grandpa Pig.
And some animals are asleep all day, so they are awake mostly at night. In fact, there's a night creature up in this tree.
It's an owl, says Peppa. Sleep tight, chickens.
Are there any other animals that are awake at night, Grandpa?
asks Peppa.
Yes, Peppa,
replies Grandpa Pig.
I think there may be some playing underneath that big pile of leaves.
Rustle, 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 rustle. Hedgehogs. They eat slugs and snails.
Can we look for more night creatures, Grandpa?
asks Peppa.
Yes, Peppa,
says Grandpa Pig.
Switch on your flashlight and see what happens.
Hello, bats.
These night creatures may be able to stay awake all night,
says Grandpa Pig.
but you two certainly can't.
Time to say goodnight to all the animals. Peppa and George, calls Granny Pig. It's bedtime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Peppa Pig stories, check out my Peppa Pig playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.